let's look at this stuff. I seem to have erased the old video, so I'll just do this again. And alright, so first of all, we have here your guys' thing. So first of all, the header, I would remove the side. The side doesn't really look good, especially because all of these are fundamentally the same. Nothing really makes any of these special or unique. It's just really pretty much the same thing over and over again. So it doesn't really help. For these guys, it's just interesting to use text. Maybe you could use text, but what I really like about them is that they have backgrounds. This is like alright, but even though individually each ring and pendant and item does look real, when you put them together, they're like these. They don't look great to me. I won't say it looks fake or something because people don't know the difference really, but just definitely feels a bit off. So вот здесь, пожалуйста. Спасибо. Да. Давайте. Доброй ночи. Alright. So, moving on. Here, everything is alright. Yeah, here everything is good, cool. The only thing that here we start to see that the photos are different, and although your photos are good, I like the ones with the finger. And also for all these places, what I really like is they have some kind of background. This one doesn't really look that great actually, but backgrounds, like anything that looks like it's real and adds depth, does make it look a bit more interesting. Also, something that I noticed is that all these people have like colorful, I don't know if it's colorful lighting or if the stone is colorful, but they definitely have more color than you guys do, and that makes it look a lot more attractive. So that's something to change if you can. Here everything is great. Now another thing I noticed is that here you guys don't have a lot of categories, and some of them aren't labeled that well, like the moissanite engagement ring shouldn't be written like that. And the other stores, I noticed they have significantly more categories. Some of them are interesting, like ready to ship, or like custom. That is, I think, something that you guys could benefit from. Now, let's see. Moving on. Alright, so the about section for us is weak. This doesn't... Oh, this is actually... I kind of like it. I actually like it quite a lot. But it's not like photogenic, you know what I mean? To me, out of the three stores, I might actually look at yours. But to the average person... Oh, they have sort of... Oh, okay. I mean, these guys have a mix. These guys... Let's see. I can't say any of these are outstanding. But definitely there should be something more than this kind of image. Now the about text, that's not a critical thing, but yeah, this я зайду к вам. Хорошо, спасибо большое. Alright, so so I think we could definitely use a new description for the about section. And so that's basically the main stuff. The logo looks great. Fundamentally, the images look great. Just some small changes. I don't know how many of these changes are possible, but you can definitely add hands or backgrounds to the images. One, you can add color to the stones wherever possible. You can add a better about section. You can add more categories. And you can change up the header, because this looks fake. Or not fake, but like it looks kind of like weird. Kind of hard to explain for me. But you know what the fuck I'm saying. Alright. So, is this a real... Alright. I don't know. So, not a lot of differences. Just some minor stuff. Now let's just look at a select item from all of these. I actually didn't do that in the previous video, but I made you wait so long for this shit that I fucking should. Oh, and yeah, like I've been sitting on all these. I've been sitting on the second 100 descriptions. Just because I'm a fucking idiot, and it takes a while to make separate files and upload them. So I'm about to do that right after I get off this call and go indoors somewhere. So alright, so the ring, everything is beautiful, everything is good. We're using my descriptions now, so everything is cool. Yeah, description wise and like product page wise, I think we have really good ones. Wow, this is how do they do that? Yeah, you just need to add backgrounds. Add backgrounds. Other than that, I think yours are good. Just need color images. How do they do this? Can we do this? Anyways, that's it for now. Let me know, and let me know if I can write a new about section. I've been keeping you waiting on a lot of shit, so I'll do that absolutely free, and tomorrow, if you're happy to let me.